How's it going? I decided to split this video up into two parts because the first video got pretty long. But this is the second part of the straw blowing video, and if you hadn't watched the first part, you can go back and watch it, but you don't have to watch it because this is a little bit different. This is going to be a story about Dad on this particular job. So hope you enjoy it, and talk to y'all later.
Over to the big flat area here. Dad thinks it's about 2 acres. He's probably close. It may not be quite that much, but anyway. I got a story I want to tell y'all right quick. So this is this is a glass manufacturing plant we're building, and it's Polish owned. The owner lives in Poland. So he wanted to do a ceremony that he does at every new building. He does this ceremony. It's a good luck thing, and it was pretty neat just to watch. But anyway, me and Dad was invited to it, and Steve Martin, my dad's partner, and his son, they was invited to it, and they had a big old book in a plastic bag on the economics of Poland that he wanted to put in the footer as kind of a time capsule. So if anybody ever destroyed the building 100 years from now, and they find that book, they could read about Poland 100 years ago, you know. So they put that in the footer. They poured a pier while he was here. They poured 2 loads of concrete in this pier, and they put the book in there, and all of them, there was a bunch of his friends, the engineer, and a lot of people from Poland here, and it was pretty neat to watch. And I talked about this a long time ago. They were supposed to do it back when we first started the building, before we even had anything ready. They wanted to pour one pier so they could do this, and it snowed and they couldn't do it. But anyway, they did their thing, and then they had this huge bottle of vodka. I don't know if I said it, but they threw a bunch of coins in that footer too from Poland, Polish coins. They look really low. But anyway, he had this huge bottle of vodka, and none of us drank. I don't drink at all, and my dad's never drank anything. I don't know about Steve and his son, but anyway, he was giving everybody shots. They had a bunch of shot glasses, and they were all taking shots, you know, and tinging their glasses together in celebration and taking shots. And then he started going around to all the guys working there, all the guys pouring the footers, and he would pour them a shot and give them a glass. And yeah, he was using the same glass, which I can't handle. I'm a germaphobe. But anyway, he comes over to my dad and Steve, and I wasn't with them at the moment. I was looking at something else, and he offered them a shot, and my dad refused, but he said, "Oh, you'll take it anyway." So Dad, he took a shot. Now my dad never drank anything, and it's lunchtime, and we're hungry. He ain't had nothing to eat, so he takes one shot. Well, he's fine, and his partner takes a shot, and his partner's son takes a shot. Well, he missed me. I didn't want to do it anyway. Alcohol makes me sick. I just can't stand the taste of it. But anyway, we're standing over there about 5 minutes later, and he's coming back around with that shot again. So I go off and hide in the porta-johns ain't too far away. So I see him coming, so I go get in one of the porta-johns, and I'm looking out the vent. And I see him go over there to my dad and Steve, and Dad's like, "No, I don't want any more." And the guy's like, yeah, you're gonna take another one. So he pours another one. My dad takes it. Steve takes another one. Well, about 20 minutes later, we finally get to leave and go to lunch. Dad, he's sitting over there. He said, I just don't feel right. I said, what's wrong with you? He said, I think I got a buzz. Poor old dad. He said, I need something to eat. I said, well, we'll go get something to eat. So we go get something to eat, and he got him something to eat, and he was fine after a little while, but he said, yeah, that stuff, it didn't make me, it made me feel a little bit funny. I said, yeah, I guess it did. You ain't never drank before. He said, I hate to refuse that guy because, you know, we're working for him and everything. And I said, yeah, you probably did the right thing. It just something you ain't used to. And he's like, yeah, I guess I'll be all right. So that was my dad getting drunk on the job story. Not intentionally, but anyway, the Polish people, they were really nice. Seemed really happy with what we're doing here, that we've been able to make so much progress in the last 3 weeks, because it's been, you know, how it was before. We just couldn't get nothing done, and now the weather has changed, and we have just turned around 100% and been getting a lot of work done. But anyway, I got to keep blowing straw, as you know. I got a lot of straw to blow. So I guess that's going to be it for this one. I'm sure it's already plenty long. And I know some of you like the long videos, and I appreciate y'all watching them. Please subscribe if you hadn't subscribed to my channel. There'll be plenty more updates on this job site as we go along here. So hope y'all stick around and come back on the next video. Talk to y'all later.